Hi, and welcome back to my weekly tip for accountants. For those of you that have been following these videos, you'll remember that last week I was away in London. And while I was away, I spoke to quite a few accountants, and many of them had the common question that I always get asked by accountants. And that is, just how big is the opportunity for accountants online? Many accountants are sceptical that anyone would ever do business with an accountant online. And again, going back to what I said a few weeks ago, many accountants have spent quite a lot of money sometimes on a website that simply doesn't work, and they've lost faith in the opportunity online for accountants. So this week I want to answer the question of just how big is the opportunity for accountants online by going through a few little figures from Google about just how many people are searching for accountancy services. Remember, online search is only one of the ways you can drive business through online. Still, I'm sure you will agree the figures are fairly impressive. Accounting has well over 1 million searches per month. Accountants has on average 673,000 searches per month. And accountancy has 368,000 searches per month. Looking more at practices now, accountancy firms and accounting firms has around 54,000 searches per month. Getting a little more specific, looking at chartered accountants, 74,000 per month. Accountancy services, it's 18,000 per month. Tax accountants, 15,000 per month. Payroll services, 18,000 again. Limited company accounts, 4,500 searches every single month. Corporation tax return, 4,400. And I could go on, it goes on and on. These figures are just in the UK. However, when I've worked with accountants in other places such as the US, the figures are staggering. Starting to look a little bit more locally now, a massive 23,000 people search for accountants in London every single month. Whereas in my hometown of Newcastle, the figure's quite a bit lower, but when you compare the number of accountants in practice here, it's still a good amount. We're looking on average at 3,900 every single month. The numbers will be different in your area, but if you'd like to know what they are, just give the office a call. I'll be more than happy to carry out a little bit of research for you. Remember, there's only one reason that people are actually typing these into Google, and that's because they're looking for an accountant. What you need to do is make sure you're found when people are actively looking for your services in your area, and drive them through to your website. And as we've mentioned before, that website has to convert the traffic. That's what our packages are all about. First of all, making sure that your website works, and then driving visitors to your website each and every month in order to get regular conversions. As always, if we can help more with this, please get in touch with me or one of the team. And if you haven't already, download the free guide and sign up for the ebook. Thanks again. See you next week.